Okay, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, mga isbisiyan sa Pilipinas. Welcome po dito sa ating Zoom meeting. At bago tayo magsimula sa ating pag-uusapan ngayon, ay nais ko munang i-welcome lahat ng mga nandirito. Sa ngayon po ay nasa 13 tayo, o more than, no? Kasi merong ilan nasa bahay na marahil marami silang nanonood dyan. Okay, so i-acknowledge ko muna isa-isa mula po doon sa Surigao, Tandag City, si Ate Emma Domingo nandito. At I think may kasama pa sa diyan. At also we have in Maria Luisa Umbega in Metro Manila. Hisosa Luzada from Sandag City also. Ma'am Sharon Hong Kong. Okay. Yes, Ma'am Emilita Omega of Cebu City. Mandawi, Cebu. Sir Michael Mirafuente ng Ormoc City. Ma'am Nelly, Quezon City. Ma'am Fidel Pasig, at ilat po sila ng Caloocan City, Ma'am Prissy, of course, Quezon City, Ma'am Ninita Danak, Hong Kong, and Felma Reponte from Iligan City, Mindanao. Yan, sa magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ang ating i-discuss ngayon, pag-usapan po natin ngayon ay yung bagong programa na in-offer sa atin ng ating ni Admin Scott na nakarang meeting. At lahat itong mga ito ay nandoon na sa ating blog. So, ating himay-himayin ngayon kung ano ang maitutulong at ito ba'y makakatulong sa ating community itong bagong programa ngayon called Helping Heart International. I don't know, it's not a foundation, but Helping Heart International. Okay, so nais ko munang ipaalam sa inyo na ito pong mga ito ay naka-live na, the Helping Heart contributions already live in KCBO, and then yung mga detalye nito ay nasa loob din ng ating KCBO doon sa mga vlogs. Aside doon, mayroon din kayo makikita at mababasa ninyo mga vlog, of course, dito sa ating founders no, GC. Okay, so punta muna tayo doon sa ating KCBO. Okay, so i-detalye, buksan mo, ipakita ko muna sa inyo kung nasaan dito sa KCBO yung Helping Heart International. So nasa loob na siya. Ito na po yun, no? So sa dashboard, meeting, reward, new exchange, and Helping Heart International. So pag kiniklik niyo po yan, ang nakalagay lang dyan is contribute. So you have to click the contribute. I-click po ninyo ito. So, it's already live now. Kung kayo ay familiar doon sa nag-donate ng panahon natin doon sa ating donation process, the same procedures. So yan, donate to Helping Heart with USDT. Instruction. Helping Heart International, HHI, is offering a contribution program where with only 10 USDT, you can contribute and receive passive income from their system. Please take the time to view the video presentation made to the admin by Perry Shikuman and decide if you wish to participate. So you may contribute only once per username. Send a USDT payment using a verified wallet. So meaning, kapag kayo po mag-contribute to it ng inyong KCBO, your wallet is already verified na. So read these details every time you contribute. The instructions may change. Number 1, to initiate the contribution and set up a username of your registration. So kailangan mag-create kayo ng inyong username at isulat po ninyo yan. Read the warning at the time and check the box that you accept. Number 3, make your payment once you have transferred your USDT to the wallet specified on this page. Come back here and report the purchase using your transactions ID. Enter your registered wallet address and the hash. If you have not registered your wallet yet, so nakita na po dito yung verify KCBO. Kung hindi pa verified inyong, of course, yung wallet, you can register first para maging verified siya. Number 4, click the transaction button and the system will monitor the blockchain for the transaction you provide, and the system will record your pay-by usually within 5 to 10 minutes. This registration discrimination page will remain active until HHI has officially closed the registration process, and we will update your account with your credentials as soon as your registration is processed. We will begin sending registration details in HHI before September 28, 2024 and continually until registration is closed. You do not expect your credentials until September 28 at the earliest is may be before it possible. So last warning, funds sent without reporting or sent from a non-registered wallet will be lost. Note, SBC is providing this contribution fees to streamline the registration and contribution process to Helping Heart International. SBC is not affiliated with HHI. Any contribution you make is up to you. It is not required and only $10 will get you registered. There is no subscription or reoccurring cost. Once your registered is processed, you may visit the account and your username and temporary password will be provided. At this time, you may visit their site, log in, and then update your contact information and receive USDT address. Okay, so yun po yung nakalagay dyan. So basahin nyo lang po. So dito sa taas, ayun ho, I understand any amount. So this is the process already kapag kayo na mag-donate ha. Tandaan yung mabuti. Kasi hindi po pwedeng sabihin hindi dito obra yung Noli, paki-donate mo nga ako. Hindi ganun ha. Kayo po individually mag-donate nito. So I understand that any amount sent will be recorded as the Helping Hearts International contribution. Any payment originating from an unverified wallet address will be lost. Make sure you register your payment wallet address before initiating a contribution. So I hope clear ha. Don't donate as long as your wallet, your receiving wallet address or your KCB itself ay hindi verified. Okay? So, yan. You have to click this small box. I-click nyo po to. Yan po yung lalabas. This is the address. USDT address once you donate. So the procedure, i-copy niyo po to. I-copy niyo po. And then kung ano kung ano yung wallet na ginamit ninyo, Trust Wallet or MetaMask, as long as yun po yung na-verified inside in your KCBO, doon nyo dadalhin yan. Tapos i-type nyo dito yung verified wallet address. Kung ano yung verified address, either Trust or MetaMask. Paglagay nyo po dyan, may nakalagay dito ha. Yan na. Enter your registered payment address and then make your payment using your send to address, of course, $10. Each time you submit a contribution, you must make out a unique ID. So gagawa ko kayo ng username. The character of this at least 8 characters long username. So kung like ako, in my case, ang username ko is Noli. So my username here is Noli Malaya. Mga kaibigan, kanina para lang maintindihan ko to, nag-try na po ako nag-contribute, contribute. Donate, contribute or donate ng aking $10. So nag-succeed naman. We're waiting for September 8, 28, no, doon sa another way of process. So kapag nagawa nyo na po yon, you bring this, dalhin nyo po itong account na to, itong send address to your Trust Wallet or MetaMask kung nasaan nandoon ang inyong USDT. Okay, send niyo po, alam niyo po yan, the process to pay. Then, type the username ninyo, kung anong unique ID ninyo. Tapos, ilagay niyo po dito yung transaction hash. Meaning, kapag nakapag-transact na kayo ng 10 USDT, mayroon talagang transaction hash yan at ilagay niyo po dito, then submit. Ganun lang siya kadali ha, submit, then okay. May lalabas doon na accepted, then click okay. And that's it. So live na siya. I think marami na nag-start nito ngayon na nagdo-donate. So you can donate already. Tapos, di ba nakalagay until we close the registration, parang may ganun siya. Okay? So nasa loob ito ng ating KCBO, Helping Heart International. Okay, para lubos pa nating maunawaan itong programang ito. So let's go to the blog area. Okay, so sa ngayon po may dalawang of course, yung Helping Heart International and SBC Admin Scott presentations, mamaya panoorin natin yan. At yung meeting. Bago ko i-discuss ito, although na-discuss ko na nakaraang meeting natin to, pero ipakita ko muna sa inyo ito, panoorin muna natin ito saglit at basahin din. Kasi dalawa na ngayon yung update na mayroon dito sa blog regarding Helping Heart International. So ito yung una, dated ito noong September 18. So ito yung sinasabi doon kanina na may video. Ito yung first video. Ito po yon. All you have to do, kailangan nyo itong buksan, panoorin, pakinggan. So this is the meeting with Admin Scott at saka dong admin ng
Wednesday,
Helping
September
Heart.
18th, 2024. I had a meeting with Pierre Showman with Helping Hearts International yesterday and recorded a part of the presentation. I want to share that presentation with you here and hopefully just watch the video and then see what we've got to offer through Helping Hearts. So here we go. I'm going to share the screen and start the video.
Okay, great. Let me know if you can see the screen.
So
I
yeah,
can.
okay, siya yung kausap ni Admin Scott dito sa Helping Heart International, po, yung taong yon. Siya po yan. Hindi, panoorin nyo lang po, na dinidiscuss niya itong,
All right. I'm going to take
it's
you very
I.
quickly through the presentation, and then you obviously have the presentation.
Okay, so diniscuss ko na nakaraan kung anong ori ng program ito at nakalagay naman diyan, this is a crowdfunding program at hindi I don't know kayo kung familiar sa inyo. Ako I'm very familiar with crowdfunding, so walang masama sa akin dito. Okay, so again, panoorin niyo lang 'yan, please. Itong full first video na to, may ilalabas pang pangalawang video pero hindi na natin to dito tapusin kasi medyo mahaba-haba. Okay, so panoorin niyo lang po 'yan. So ito yung mga nandito. I had a pleasure of the meeting with Ferry Escoman on Tuesday, where he presented on the exciting opportunity through Helping Heart International. And this is the video, ito yung tinutukoy niya. We were introduced by Manual member who recognized an element between our community goals and the humanitarian mission of the Helping Hearts. Hearing more about their work, I'm thrilled to share this with you. Very soon, hopefully by tomorrow, so this is it. You will be able to register and contribute the Helping Heart International through SBCBO. So yung pinakita natin kanina, like I said, naka-live, no? Parang live. Categorically, technically live na siya dun sa loob ng KCBO. Okay. For a one-time contribution, just 10 USDT, your enter a system that will multiply rewarding phases. May mga phases, no? Sorry, magkatimat ako. Okay. Here the best part. You only need to donate once. No recruiting, no extra work, no effort on your part. The system handling everything for you. I think the word is no recruiting kasi parang within our community, no? Within our community. This program is intended for our community. Okay. Ngayon, kung naintindihan niyo po, so bahala na kayo magde-decide. Here's how it worked. Yung $10 natin. In phase 1, you receive 92 USDT sa phase 1. Sa phase 2, you receive 128 USDT. In a phase 3, you receive 1,570 USDT. In the phase 4, you receive 6,090 USDT. And the phase 5, we receive 17,236 USDT. Itong klaseng contribution na ito marireceive po natin yung full detail, not exactly full detail. Initially, nandito sa video na to. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na tiyagaan niyo pong panoorin ito. Ha? Lahat. I don't know kung magawa nyo na ba yan. These pieces repeat and compound further. Just watch the video and see for yourself. Ayun pala. Okay. Helping Hearts does those all the work for you. You contribute 10 USDT for one position, but you're welcome to contribute for a multiple positions to benefit your family and friends as well. Yan. Here's what, sorry, cut sa mata ko. Wait lang. Wait, cut talaga. Sorry. Here's what you need to do. 1. We will collect your 10 USDT and register your account using the username you provide. So, okay, once registered, we will forward your detail to Helping Heart International and provide you with your login credentials. After logging in, you can complete your registration by entering your receiving USD wallet address. Your funds will be sent directly to you after its phase is completed. So, ibig sabihin, once hindi mapuno or hindi makompleto yung phase 1, you cannot receive patingi-tingi. The way I understand, no? Kasi, you can see, your fund will be sent directly to you after its phase is completed. Diba? So, kailangan makompleto yung phase 1 mo before you can receive 92 USDT. Again, kung ano tong phase 1 and phase 2 o phase hanggang phase 5, you can view or watch this video. You may contribute and register as many usernames as you like. Just repeat and process the processes. There's more to come. So stay tuned for details. In the meantime, be sure to watch the introductory video for the basics. So yung nasa taas. We will also be posting a second video soon to show you the full potential of what SBC can leverage for our community. For you're struggling to make SBC BO payment or keep your referrals active, this is a fantastic opportunity to generate income with just 10 USDT contribution. So malinaw ho, itong ginagawa ni Admin Scott ay nakatungtong doon, no, na itong bagay na ito, the Helping Heart International, ay malaking maitutulong doon sa paglago, no, doon sa ating community, especially para mapuno natin ng mabilisan yung 10,000 members this year. So, yan po yung layunin po nito. Please note, SBC is not responsible or liable for any actions or activities conducted by Helping Heart International. We are simply sharing this opportunity with you as an informative and potential finances resource. So ito yung first, no? Ito yung una niyang vlog, like tulad ng sinasabi ko po, ito ay nilagay niya noong September 18. Yeah, then again, please watch the video. So may bago, yung Helping Heart International contribution page is live. Ito na yung pinakita uli natin kanina sa KCBO. At ito yung basahin uli natin. Okay. Helping Heart International or HHI contribution page is live. Ito yung pinakita natin kanina, di ba? Helping Heart International. Ayan po. Okay. Nasa loob ng KCBO. Helping Heart International is the charity and humanitarian organization with goals and projects that align closely with ours. While SBC is not financially affiliated with HHI, we are excited to share this opportunity with you. For the next week or so, you may make a one-time USDT contribution of the $10 USDT to HHI through our site. We will collect the USDT funds and convert the collective donations to EPIN or TRC20 as required by HHI. So parang ipunin, I think, no? Pagkaintindi ko, ipunin mo na lahat. Pag ilan ang kadami nagdo-donate individually, so ipapasya na doon sa Helping Heart through TRC20 in our behalf, di ba? Please note that SBC is only facilitating the collection of funds of these contributions and is not receiving any compensation. It's a straightforward process offered as the convenience to you. Yan. If you are able and willing, please visit the contribution page. Yan, pinakita natin kanina. You may make multiple contributions of $10, but be sure to create a unique username each time you do. So, importante yung username. Once we receive the credentials from HHI, we will post them to your back office, where you can complete your registration details on their site. You will need to submit a USDT address to receive any proceeds, you are entitled to. So once na makomplete yung first phase of this program in HHI, you can receive the 92 USDT. Completed, yung by pieces. Okay. SBC has a oversight or support for HHI. So if any issues arise, you must contact HHI directly for assistance. How to contribute? Read the instructions, review the details provided on the left side of the contribution page. Again, ito ho yun. Ayun ho left side. So diyan. Second, agree to the term. Select the acceptance box of acknowledgement the term, yung kanina. Pag kiniklik mo yun, nasa loob. Make your contribution. Send your contribution to the address. Provide and report your transaction hash. Use the verified wallet. You must use a verified wallet to send the payment. If you use an unverified wallet, you will need to complete the verification step before submitting your transaction hash. Create a unique username for its contribution. Create a unique username for its contribution will be registered on your behalf. And a temporary password will be assigned. You must then log in and complete the inquired step on the HHI site. We hope this opportunity brings you great value. Thank you for your contributions. So there's the instruction here. Wait. Okay, there's instructions. Yan po yon. Kanina pinakita ko na, ni-review natin yan una. Yan po. Okay. So yan, ito po yung, itong lahat ng ito, yan. Itong instruction na ito, lahat ng iyan, ito po yung nasa laman ng KCB. Once you click this Helping Heart International. So yan po yung kalaman yan. Ito yan, yan. Transaction, yan. Yan yung binasa din natin kanina. Okay? So yung maliit na box, i-click mo lang yan. That's the address. And click Submit Payment. So ito po yung kabuuan ng programa natin. Tulad ng sinasabi ni admin, walang sapilitan, no? No, walang ano dito. Sa tingin lang niya, ito ay makakatulong sa atin. Sa mga gustong sumasali, pwede pong maglagay ng 10 USDT. Okay, so dito na po tayo yung ating pagre-review, magtatapos yung pagre-review. So kung mayroon kayong katanungan regarding dito sa Helping Heart International, so go ahead po.
Sir, di ba parang exit yan?
I don't know kung exit kasi nakalagay phase.
Kasi
phase
nakaranas
1,
na
phase
kami ng crowdfunding, sir, kay Sir Lister. Ganyan yun.
Oo.
Ang ano doon, hindi ka makakasahod ng $92 not unless, di ba, may phase 1, phase 2, may mga ganyan. Yung phase 1 na yan, kailangan makaka-exit ka muna bago ka makapag $92. Parang $10 lang kung ano. Tapos ang kalabasan, 92. Kung ano ka doon sa phase 1.
Kung mabuo.
Kasi doon sa phase 2, nandoon na yung sasahurin mong 92. Kaya kailangan mo ng madaming tao dyan sa phase 1. Ilang tao ang pupunuin para maka-exit ka dyan.
Okay.
Yun ang nagkaranas kami kay yan, sir, Sir Lister.
Yung iba, any questions? Kung yun ang ano, so far hindi ko pa anuhin ha. Wala kasing ginamit na term exit diyan, ang tiname completed once na completed the phase. Ang term na
Sir,
ginamit
ang
na
hinano
phase 1,
kasi,
phase
hindi na nila ikuha ng exit kasi kahit kay Lister, hindi inano yung ang exit, hindi niya sinasabi. Ang ano lang nung phase 1, paano ka makakalabas dun sa phase 1? Kasi ang sasahurin mong $92 doon yan sa phase 2. Kasi pagdating mo doon sa phase 2, ikaw na naman ang number 1 doon. O then, another na namang sahod ang anuhin mo. Pagka natapos ka doon sa phase 2, sa phase 3 ka na naman punta.
Okay, yeah. Isa yan sa mga diskarte ng crowdfunding. So far, hindi ko alam kung ganun ang way dito sa atin dito sa sa Helping Hand.
Kasi
Siguro
ganyan ang ano sa crowdfunding, sir.
kaya nga po, malaman natin ang kabuuan nito kapag mailabas yung pangalawang
Oo.
video.
Oo.
But dito, sige,
Tanungin
review
mo kung
natin.
ano, sir. May contact ka naman
There's,
kay Lister.
Hindi,
I-explain mo
Wednesday,
paanong ano.
September 18th,
Oo,
2024.
alam ko na nga po kasi naging part naman ako doon sa crowdfunding ni Lister din before. Bukod kay Lister, meron akong sariling crowdfunding nung araw, diba binanggit ko nga sa inyo yun. So alam ko yung maraming
Sir,
kaparaan.
di ba
Maganda yung
ganyan din ang inano ni Mel Frank? Na nag-put up tayo ng almost 8,000 yata yun.
hindi crowdfunding yung kay Sir Mel.
Hindi, parang sistemang ganyan lang. Kay Lister ka magtanong, sir, para proper kang explainan.
Hindi, Ate Filma, siyempre may program sila, yun ang susundin natin. Initially, alam na natin yung mga iba't ibang way, no? Kasi hindi na bago sa atin ito. Pero tingnan lang natin yung setup dito sa facing. Nasaan na ba siya, ha?
Kasi face by
Ika.
face yan eh. Tingnan
You
mo
get
dyan.
Ayan,
the
oh.
Nakalagay
World Trader
yung
one, then you
face.
go back and you start again. So it can't be a Ponzi, it can't be a pyramid because you're coming back and you're starting again at the bottom. and
Makakatulong talaga
you're
yan
working
pag
through
dami
getting
ng
through the
tao.
levels.
Kung
So how does it work?
hindi man
Very simple.
makaka-open,
It's
sir,
a
ng
once-off
ano, ng
$10.
yung account kung hindi bayad.
That's it. You through all the phases.
Ano na
Kailangan
po?
makakakita tayo ng pera pang
So here
bayad.
you can see
Yes,
your
yes,
donation.
yes.
There is your $10. So here you can see
Bakit na yun, no? Okay, ito. So, ito po yun, no? Parang, ito yung setup niya. Enter this space with 20, phase 1, ayun, no? Helping Heart, phase 1. So, my first level, my second level, my third level.
Yan.
So, parang third level. So, ilan ito? 27. So, yun. So, once na magiging makompleto ka na in 27, doon mo pwedeng ma-receive, i-add natin.
May face nga eh.
Ayan. Kaya nga. So, ang term na ginamit niya is phasing. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4.
Exit ang ano. Parang hindi lang nila banggitin yung exit.
Yan. So, ayan, no? Well, actually, dito sa 162, no? Pero, ang gagawin nga nila dyan, yung 3% goes to the helping hand. Yung 8%, $8 dyan, parang maibabalik or parang kinukuha nila yan you to go another phase. So for example, so yung naiiwan dyan, 92, yun yung mapupunta sa'yo. Kaya once lang ikaw nagbabayad ng 10 USDT hanggang ma-reach mo yung phase 5 program nitong Helping Hearts na to.
Oh, kasi pagka nakarating ka sa phase 2, mayroon ka ng 92. Parang binawasan na yung entry mo para sa phase 2.
Ganun lang.
Iikot ba, sir ba? Iikot, ganyan. Pag ikot, nakarating ka na doon, pasok ka na sa phase 2. Mayroon ka ng 92 matatanggap kasi doon ka sa phase 2, mayroon kang entry doon. Kinuha na doon sa iyong income.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mga kaibigan, yung yung familiar of this, kung kayo ay sumali ng MMM for example, ay very familiar sa inyo to. Itong programang ito. Any questions? So kung wala na kayong mga katanungan, pwede na kayo mag-start. I think, no? Pwede na kayo mag-start. Kanina kasi nag-try lang talaga ako kasi para nakita ko yung live. Pero hindi ako nagbasa ng blog. Hindi rin ako nagbasa ng ano. So nung binasa ko yung blog na, nako, ano pala, certificate pa pala yung ano, di ba yung parang i-distribute yung tawag nito, yung parang details mo. So nag-text ako kay admin to inform na nakapag ano ako. So sabi niya okay lang kasi naka-live naman. So meaning lahat you can start already now tawag nito donate. Now for the purposes of presentations, for the
lang talaga yun.
$10. For the purposes of presentations, at least one, pwede bang meron ditong mag-share screen na pwede mag-donate? Kung sino sa inyo meron ng USDT, try to donate na. Mayroon ba mag-volunteer? Sino sa inyo ang meron ng USDT at you cannot donate already?
Ako sir, mayroon.
As long as, Ate Ima, as long as one, your account is verified.
Opo sir, verified. Ako nag-titag na ako sir.
Ano na? Say, wait lang.
Kaya lang hindi po ako naka-screenshot, maka-record, maka-screen recording kasi nasa isang phone po yung ginamit ko na tipo, Zoom. Nasa isa lang aking account. Hindi po.
Okay. Ate Ima, hindi mo na ako kasi di ka pa nakaranas magbabayad ng program fee, right?
Opo.
I'm calling ano doon sa nakaranas na magbabayad ng program fee. Sino
Opo,
dito
sir.
yung
Opo, sir.
ano, so sino dito mga cash centers na po pwedeng mag for demonstration purposes?
Hindi ko kayo.
Ako na lang.
You have 10 or may $10 ka na? May $10 ka na?
Nasa AI pa.
Oh my God. Tell naman. Okay. Sabi ko po, mayroon bang cash centers na pwede mag-try?
Pwede bang demo lang? Demo lang. Pwede bang ganon?
Pwede
Demo lang
naman
muna.
po. Ang pinaproblema ko sa signal po ninyo, putol-putol kasi kayo.
Hindi, malakas nga ang signal ko ngayon eh. Okay lang.
After na to, at Ate Telma mamaya po. Again, cash centers. So, Michael Mirafuerte, Ninita Danak, you are the cash centers na nandito ngayon. Philly Nadal, Sharon, kayo po yung mga ini-expect ko na sana mag-try mo na dito ngayon for demonstration.
Pwede ako
Tapos na ako nag-connect. Nag-contribute pa lang.
So si Sharon ba at saka si Ma'am Ninita magkakapit bahay lang?
Hindi.
Okay, so ang nagsalita ngayon si Ate Ninita na.
Yes.
Okay, Ate Ninita, yung isang cellphone mo pakihinay-hinay lang kasi dalawang cellphone open. Tapos yung isa pahinaan mo, tapos mag-share screen ka.
Hindi nga, wala na akong USDT. Tapos na akong mag-donate kami ng mga
Okay. So nakakapag-ano na siya. Okay. Good. Ilang account ang dinodonate mo, Ate Ninita?
20.
20 account. So, okay.
Ay, hindi pa lang mabot kasi may question of pa doon.
Okay.
Ano ko?
Sige, thank
Kasi
you.
mayroong ano doon, ang sinasabi namin. Bakit nakalimutan ko lang kasi i-accept ko din pag binalitan ko na nag-pay. Kaya hinirmayas ko.
Okay.
Eh, wala na akong naisip.
Pwede ako ba mag-out, sir? Tapos magbabalik, gamitin ko yung account, hindi na, no?
Yan, kailangan mo na Ma'am Sharon, naka-share screen ka para makita nila ha.
Oo, i-out mo muna ako, sir. Mag-out muna ako, tapos gamitin ko isang phone ko na may dito yung aking account.
Sige, sige, sige. Thank you ta.
Hintay muna ako dito.
Sir Michael? Sir Michael? Sir Michael? Sir Michael. So tama po yun, yung kay Manilita na 20 account. Ilan ang account niyo lahat na active? All active account na nilagyan niya kaagad. So accept. Wait natin si Sharon ha, kasi siya yung mag-demonstrate ngayon. Okay, Ma'am Sharon, dito ka na. So pwede ko kayo mag-share screen. Panoorin niyo pong mabuti ha yung procedures ongoing po ngayon, mag-donate for our Helping Heart International, si Ma'am Sharon po. So nag-open siya doon sa kanyang KCBO. So login siya. Okay. So yun na po yung contribution. Yan, kinapi niya na po yung contract yung address na pag-depositohan ng $10. And they use MetaMask. Ginamit niya po yung MetaMask. Okay, so kiniklik na po yung USDT niya. Isa MetaMask. Not receive man, dapat send. Dapat naman kiniklik po send, hindi receive. Ma'am Sharon, na-collect nyo na ba? Send po, not receive. Yan, send po ang i-click ninyo. Yan, okay. Okay. So diyan, paki-paste na-i-paste niya po yan yung address, then type 10. Next. I-send. So hintayin natin ma-complete yung ma-complete transaction. Dalawang 10, parehang oras. Okay. So, punta kayo dun sa transaction, ma'am. Paki-click yung confirm. Tatlo na yan. Ang dami na nila. September yan. Una mo na. Yan. Click the confirm. I-click niyo po yung confirm. Okay. Then, copy the transaction hash. Okay. Ongoing. Yan. Kinapin niya na. Copy. And then, babalik doon sa loob ng KCBO. Ma'am, yung unique ID mo, kailangan mo nang lagyan yan. I-type na muna bago mo i-send ha. Unique ID. unique. Mag-create ka ng username nyo po. At saka mga kaibigan, kapag mag-create ka ng username dito sa substitution process, don't forget na makalimutan nyo po yan. I-lista nyo po yan. Okay, lista. Verified. Nandiyan na. Then submit. Submission result. Ano yan? Submission failed to the following reasons. Found block recipient wallet address mismatch. Hindi magmamatch ng ano, ma'am? Ng what's wrong? Ang dami kasi, punta kayo doon sa Trust Wallet ninyo, ang dami doong MetaMask pa ninyo, ang dami doong transaction na parehang pizza. Baka yung isa doon kung ninyo po. Kailangan siguraduhin talaga natin ha. Ang pagbabayad. Okay, kasi parang dalawa kasing transaction doon eh. Submit. Ayan, yun pinag-accepted. So yun ang tama. Accept na. Click OK, ma'am. Ayan. So okay na po ha. So yan na yan. Ganun lang kabilis kung paano mag-donate, no? Kung contribute USDT dito po sa So okay, maraming salamat, Ma'am Sharon. Okay, i-stop sharing ko na lang. Mga kaibigan, gawin nyo lang po yan. Siguro, starting ngayong gabi, pagkatapos ng ating Zoom meeting, kung kayo po ay may mga naipong USDT in your Trust Wallet or MetaMask marahil, as long as your KCB is already verified na, so pwede na ako kayong starting donate na. Ngayon po. At I think advice kung gaano kadami ang inyong accounts na binabayaran, so pwedeng lahat ho yun na pwede nating gamitin for a donation process. Okay, so marami pong salamat sa inyo. Sa sunod meeting po tayo mga magkita-kita. But by the way, i-off ko lang yung recording, then I accept na mga questions after this recording process.